Well, living in Arizona means that we live in the Sun Belt, right? We are dealing with the sun almost 365 days a year. So, what do you think is the most important thing to us? Shade, absolutely shade. Joining us this morning, Robert Mullen. He's the president and owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. And looks like you're out on a job site there, Robert. What's happening behind you?
So, we are installing two 27-foot wide 12-foot projection retractable awnings with the lights and the full cassette.
Wow. Okay. Step aside. I want to see what's going on there behind you. So now I'm looking at those are pretty big openings. When you install retractable shades like that, how big can you go, Robert?
We can go up to 40 feet with one unit. We don't usually recommend doing that because of the span.
Right.
But 30 feet is about average. 20 feet is about average. 30 is pretty big. So this is right in the middle. This is a 27 foot.
Okay. Now, explain to us this specific type of shade that you're putting up. This is one of your newer shades, right? Where it has all the lights and everything already installed?
Yeah, so these are the motorized retractable awnings that have the dimmable LED lights already built into the arms, and they're super bright. It has a full cassette manual override motor, so if your power goes out, you can still put the awnings back in if a storm rolls through. All built in. It's all one low price, best price, strong awnings with all the same Sunbrella fabrics that you would get with any other awning.
Okay. Well, all right. Well, that's really cool. And boy, what a difference is that's going to make for that patio. Those automated motorized awnings just extend your outdoor living space, don't they?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you can party all night, have the lights on, even if you don't have to put, stand-up lights, umbrellas out. It's just a year-round product. It's great.
I love it. I love it. Let's talk about some of the other things that you offer there at All Pro Shade Concepts. It's really all about shades, but all kinds of shades. You can also put shades on our home, right? On our windows.
Yeah, so we put shades on the windows. It's the fixed window screens with clips. We have retractable patio shades. So like this instance, you could do a drop shade to close in the patio, or they opted for a retractable awning to extend the patio. It's all about your preference. So we can do anything you want when it comes to shade, how big, how technical you want to get. You want to work it with your phone. You want it to work when you're not home, and tons of colors to match.
Okay, that's what I want to see. Show us some of the color options. I know we have lots and lots to choose from. You can get just about any color that you want nowadays, can't you?
Yeah, so these are for the retractable drop shades. And so these are the 95% colors. You can go all the way to blackout if you want. Then these are for the retractable awnings. There's about 300 colors. But yeah, you can pretty much match any decor you want out here.
Right. And you can also get it to match the color of your home because some of them have metal coverings too. Do we have choices for those?
Yeah, so these are the choices for the metal coverings on the retractable awnings. And then there's a couple more when it comes to the roller shades. But it's all powder coated, has a lifetime warranty, has 10-year warranty on the fabric. It's all top-notch fabric and finishes.
Okay, excellent. And you take care of everything. You come out and do the measuring and the installation and everything, right?
Yes. Well, not me personally, I have, but yes, we do. We take care of the electrical, the installation, everything, how to program from start to finish.
Awesome. I know you can't be everywhere all the time. I understand that, Robert. All right, let me give our viewers at home some information. Robert is offering up a free estimate and free installation, and he doesn't even have to come inside your home. He can do it all outside. All Pro Shade Concepts, 623-204-1476. Visit the website, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects, be sure and follow all our Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you with your home. Our Home Pro experts make it easy. abc15.com/homepros.